Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Women Frog are timeless outfit now for their feminine charm and graceful appearance. They are worn in both casual and formal setting and are available in numerous fabric cuts and stylish from daily wear cotton frocks to heavy embroidered party frocks that range in hug. Casual frock made with cotton or lawn are ideal for hot weather. They are light, breathable and easy to care. Minimal prints, pastel color and stretch or a line cut make them perfect for everyday use at home or office. There are line frocks has a fitted top and gradually widens toward the hem. They hem forming an a shape. This design flatter almost every body shape and is suitable for both formal and casual wear. It gives a sleek yet elegant look. Anarkali style frocks inspired by Mughal area fashion. Anarkali frocks are long and heavily flared with fitted bodies case. They are usually made of chiffon silk or georgette with intric- intricate embroidery. They are worn in wedding, Eid and formal events. Maxi frock design are long floor length length dress that give a luxurious and modest appearance. They are trending for bridesmaids, reception, and even dinner. Following fabric like chiffon and satin enhance the graceful fall. Party wear frocks come with heavy embellishments like sequins, stone, beryls, zari, or lace work. They are made in bold color like mirror, navy, emerald, green, or gold. These frocks often include fancy selves, layered flares, and rich embroidery and simple design. Layered or refueled frocks. This modern trend include multiple layer or reflex to add volume and drama. They are commonly seen in engagement or birthday event and marriage reflected selves and tired him give a fashion and youthful touch. The high-low design, short at the front and long at the back, is trendy among younger women. It is usually worn at semi-formal parties or photo shoots. The unique cut makes it stand out even with minimal decoration and other facilities. Belts or vest ties add shade shape to frock or highlight the waistline. Plain frocks with a contrasting belt look chic for office or smart casual wear. It brings structure and balance to the overall look. Floral prints never go out of fashion. Light colored floral and are popular in summer while dark florals are flavored in winter. This frock give a fresh, soft and feminine feel and are often worn for branches and day events. In colder season, velvet and silk frocks are preferred due to their warmth and luxurious texture. Embroidery velvet frocks with full self and rich color give a royal and classic